Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where every single day I show you how to draw something. So today I'm going to show you how to draw Merton the turtle from the new DC League of Super Pets movie. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Any of that would be incredible and greatly appreciated. All right, so let's start our drawing with, I'm going to start towards this side of the page over here, and I'm going to start with a circle. This is going to be one of the eyes. And now in that circle, we're going to do another circle. And now a little one up here, and then one in the middle in behind that little one. And we can color that most recent circle all black. Like that. So next, I'm going to, you guessed it, one more circle. But the inside circles that we had just done are closer to this side. So this side over here has a little bit more room. All right, so next we're gonna do a little, kind of like a little rectangle here. And now we can come up from this eye and kind of make a little arch and then come on down like that. And then now we've got the beginning of the mouth started here. And up here we can do a little oval for a nostril. And then we're going to do a little curve here and a little curve inside that. And one more there in behind. Right here by that rectangle we did, I'm going to do like a little, almost like a little box. And then coming from this side, we're going to make like a little strap. And then from here, we just have almost like a little snake part coming from it. So this part is going to be brown and this part here is going to be red, but we're not at the coloring stage yet. All right, so now I'm going to do a little curve and connect that part to that part with that little curve. So let's work on the other eye. So I'm going to do a little line right here and then start with another circle. Okay, like that. And now we're going to do the inside same as we did over here. So we're going to do another circle. Now we're going to do another one. And then this little one, and then a black one here in the middle. All right. So next we can do a little curve like that. And we're going to have the mouth open. So I'm going to do a little curve right here. And then we have like a little point. And coming on down, I'm going to make it a little bit squiggly. And we can put a little hill right here for the tongue. And do a curved line right here. And I'm going to put one more line there. Okay, and now coming from this side right here, we can do a bit of the shape of the head. So we can come on down and curve like that. And right here, underneath this eye, the second one we did, we can do a little bit of a curve here for a cheek, and then come on in, and then curve that way. All right, so I'm going to put a line right here, and right here, I'm going to put another one. And this is just going to be kind of separating one color from another when we get to the coloring stage. So this part of them is going to go one color green, and this part is going to go a lighter color green. So you don't have to draw those lines in if you don't want to. It's all up to you. Okay, so over here, we're going to do the other strap. Like right here, we've got one. We're going to put the other one over here. So I'm going to do a little shape right here. And then I'm going to do another little strap. This is going to be the brown part. Like over here, this part here is the brown part on that side. Right here is the one on that side. Okay, so now let's work on the shell. So we're going to do a little curve here, and another one, and another one. And right here up above, and we're going to put in some little lines here, like that. And I'm going to put in kind of like a strip going through the middle of these parts. Okay, so next let's work on the wing. So I'm going to put almost like a little crescent moon shape here. And coming from that, we're going to do the wing. So we did kind of a silly curve here. And then we can come on slanting upwards this way. And right here, we can come on down and come on back to where we started. And right here, I'm going to put a few little curves. And right here, we can draw straight on back. And this one can extend out a little bit further. And then come on in. And then we're going to put another one there. And another one. And another one, like that. All right, so now let's continue working on the shell. So we can come on up, almost like a little hill. And it's going to be in behind the wing we just drew. And it's going to slant on downward this way. And we can connect it here to that little part that we drew earlier. And now let's do a little tail. And now we can start on some feet. So we can do a little curve right here for a bit of a shoulder. Same on this side. And bring this line outwards. And same with this one. You can see we're getting a little bit wider here. Now let's do a foot. We got like one little toe here, another little one right here, another little one, and let's put another one right here. And then we've got the bottom of his foot. And we can give him some little claws, just some little pointy claws. And then we can finish this line and bring it to right here. And I'm going to put a little curve right here because this is going to be like the bottom of the shell. So this line can come behind this leg and curve up. And this one can too, and curve on up. So let's do a little back foot. So we can do a U shape here, and we can bring this line down, and now we've got a little curve, and we can do 1, 2, 3, 4 little toes and put some pointy claws there. And now let's do another one here in the front. So we got a curve here, and then another little curve. And we can do 1, 2, 3, do four little toes, and put those little claws there. And now we'll have one more foot in the back. We won't be able to see it very well, but we can do this kind of shape here, and then a line right there. And we're not quite done yet, so you don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but we can put some little spots on them. So this just kind of helps make them look a bit more turtley. All kinds of little spots. So it doesn't matter where they go, you just kind of put them all over the place, and no real particular shape. Some of the ones I'm doing are kind of a square, some other ones are just kind of like a blob, just all over the place. Definitely on the legs and the feet. And here, let's see, on the shell, I'm going to come on up, and that would be curving behind the wing. We can come on down, and we can put a little line coming this way, and one coming down here, and one coming here. All right, so now I'm going to get started on the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for joining me today for today's Daily Doodle. And I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, have a great day. Goodbye.